Isoko wado ibedi nene marichi mu ne baho iria sasa no irevoma no uzo rito ubawo. Ivorian maje serio ite mabiti muho novrena. Waga zoroko ewurena. Parts of the body in Isoko language. Birds, etwagba, gray hair, eza, neck, oho, shoulder, ekoko, arm, ugbobo, finger, iziabo, fingernail, etwabo, chest, udu, breast, ivie, navel, uowo, backbone, ugbowonke, waist, eku, buttocks, ikebe, hip, ọ̀tọ́, anus, uvine, penis, oyo, testes, ubite, vagina, uvio, clitoris, ubieko, pubic hair, etwene, nail, egilowo, heel, etilowo, toe, uziawo, flesh, uwoma, fat, igri, blood, aze, brain, evori, bone, ugbonwa, vein, urie, heart, ubiodu, liver, iruo, kidney, ubieku, womb, edede, or uomo. Please kindly follow us on our Facebook pages, Isoko Channel TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Isoko Channel TV, so that you can get access to all our lecture series. I remain your presenter, Erasmus Ugbome. Wawu Isoko, walelomai evao, evario emetamaina, evao Facebook, evao Isoko Channel TV, evao YouTube, lelomai, subscribe evao Isoko Channel TV. Re warebobi no mafiho were rerie. If you have advice or any comment, kindly email us at isokochanneltv@gmail.com or call our telephone number at 090-211-46595. Awomai, wete wo one hayo emijono wewolotara kugbomai. Hayo wewolono mawunowe. Hayo omora. Vio overosomai evao emailimi noro isokochanneltv@gmail.com. Hayo wire somai evao otememai noro ugolo, izi, ugolo, ive, ovo, ene, ezeza, iso, izi, iso, 090-211-46595. Wado.